Got the old S10 out here. Finally, after like 9,000 years of it being in the trailer. I mean, we went to the track about 2 years ago now with it. And it's raining, so that's got the S10 out. I'm gonna try and figure out some of these issues with it. Draining the fuel system on the old S10 here.
Yeah, we were thinking that choke was closing, but it doesn't look like
No.
it is. So.
Oh, we've only waited like a month to actually see if it was closing, but no, it's not. Because originally, yeah, after we came back, we're like, well, maybe the choke was closing after the burnout, because we have a zip tied open, and being it's a race being the fact that it's a race application, that it doesn't necessarily need a choke.
Yeah, but it ain't closing.
Nope. And so now we're draining the fuel system, seeing if there's any dirt in the fuel system. I still think you should take the bowls off though.
Because it could be if that regulator wasn't refilling the bowls fast enough, but after the burnout, when you're using that initial fucking hit, it could be dying.
So pulled one of the bowls off, and everything seemed all right in here. The needle and seat look a-okay. Doesn't seem like there's any garbage in here. So I don't know. I don't think it's the anything carburetor related. So.
Oh, Fozzie Bear!
I think he shaved his back, to be honest.
Did you shave your back? Hey!
Hey! Did you shave your back? Hey!
You shave? On the back? I see the spots you missed.
Alright, so we got that. Shave your back! Alright, so we got this aerospace regulator off, and we're gonna replace it with one of those, which is funny because that's a pretty nice regulator.
Yeah, it is.
4-port for like a tunnel ram deal.
Yeah, that little Holly one would be just fine for.
Like I said, Eric said he's run into trouble with that brand numerous times. He says, yeah, the guy does good machine work, but he don't know if he's using Chinese parts or.
Well, they all use Chinese.
Yeah, buddy, everything comes from China nowadays.
Oh, yeah, that's a all time. You're fixing to go buy a Chinese part to replace our Chinese.
No.
That is very true.
Holly's made in China now?
Buddy, yeah, it's a big
I just bought something
corporation.
yesterday that was made in the USA.
Well, some
Says
stuff,
made in the USA.
some stuff is, but a lot of it's exported.
Usually it's packaged in the USA.
Patriot Pump and Wells made in the USA, baby.
That's right.
Say it. What about
God bless.
anything else, Mom?
Oh yeah,
I think we should do the charger. Yeah, look at that.
that's
Rusted all the way around.
that's not so good. Alright, so now we got a new regulator. Scott does, and it's raining out still, and it's chrome. Says it's real fancy. And about that regulator. Show everybody the regulator. There we go. Look at that. And it's a Spectrum cable, and the internet. Also slight. I just put some connectors on the on the fogger system for the Mustang here. Side quest. I got race car. Just race car, and you got a Bruno Lenko just sitting right there. for enough for just it's just chilling. I don't think you guys ever seen this. There's a blanket under it right now because of the wane, but it's just chilling. CS2, you know, what have you.
For sale.
Yeah, it is for sale. So anybody that is looking for a Bruno Lenko, I got you. What?
Go to the website.
Yeah, go to the website, virtualspeedformance.com. Also, there's a small block over there at 434 small block Chevy for sale on the website as well. You could go on there. My email is on the site, on the for sale ad. And this Bruno Lenko, if anybody is interested, virtualspeed1@yahoo.com is my email. Or you can just go on the website and get my email from there too. So, all right. So due to the rain, we got a easy up now, and
We have about 10 easy ups.
we do have about 10 easy ups. So we have plenty to go around the entire neighborhood. But we are doing a mounting bracket for this regulator, and let me flip the camera around and show you guys. Ruh-roh. Got a little drizzle.
Drizzle his zizzle.
My hizzle.
Yeah, go all the way up the other side.
Alright, so we got fuel pressure now back up to the regulator, and we cleaned up the filter back here. Went and got a new element for it. This aerospace filter actually takes like a Wix element. Hello, Fangs Mansion!
Hello, Fangs Mansion! Damn, that was hot.
Put back trailer. Take the motherfucker racetrack, buddy. Yeah, no fuel leaks.
Light on it one more time there, and then we'll take
Yeah.
it back to this.
That's what I'm thinking.
Things that didn't have response.
No, it hasn't. Not even at the track.
We just have to take the track, put timing light on again, set it one more time there.
Yep.
And then go up and see where it's at.
Yeah, man. Let's go racetrack with him, dog. Yeah. Come on, big dog. Let's go racetrack.